Hello and welcome to this unboxing and tutorial on our T3 Kam Snaps bundle. Inside your box you will receive a T3 Kam Snap die set. This will come in 3 parts, 2 top dies and a base. You will get 120 of the white Kam Snaps, 120 of the black, and then 20 of our 6 various colours that we offer as well in that box. Now let's see how we put it together on our green machine. Okay, so now we're at our green machine. I'm going to start off by taking our base die, which looks like this, and popping that into the bottom of the machine. We can take our cap for the Kam Snap, which looks like that. It's got a little spike on it. That can be pushed through our material. Push that through. You can use a pokey tool if you need help with that. We're going to take our top die. This top die in particular takes our male end. So I'll get my male end, and that pushes into the top die and holds it in place, and we can screw that in. We'll take our material with the cap on it, place that on the base die and push down, and that's what you should get, the cap on the back. Again, we'll take another cap. We can push this through the material, so it looks like that. Cap on the back. We'll change the top die over to what's going to be our female end. So this top die holds our female pieces, and again the female part just pushes onto the top die like that and holds it in place. Screw that into the top of the machine. We'll take our piece of material with the cap, put that onto the bottom die, pull down the handle and compress that. You should have something like that. And these should just snap together, just like so. Pull these apart again. There you are, you're done.